So, hello viewer from all over the world. I am your online anti-friend Wally and Volty. So today I, Wally, going to take my revenge of part 1. Let's start the atomic gameplay in Atom Mixer video. Here we go, our MC is ready for kill all the enemies. Sorry, zombie. Let me correct that. Hey girl, remove from the front. She will not remove, we have to go from side. I will kill you one day, be ready for me. After killing all zombie, I will come for you. Not remove from front. You will going to die. And here stage 1 started. We will kill all enemies from far. Whoa, again I say enemy. They are zombies, sorry. Only I know you are stupid, but you are stupid that much I don't know that. You can call them enemy also because they have the same intentive what anime have. So don't say sorry and focus on your game. I have no interest to make this video part 3. Why are you fearing of useless reason? I am not going to die on this part. They can't give me a single damage. I am kill all the zombies before they come close to me. Reload faster, they are coming close to you. Why are you continuously interfering in my video? If you say anything again, I am die intentionally so that you have to make part 3. Strictly say that I have to clear all your debit bills. When did I say bill? I never say the word bill. Mean that you are going to lose by your stupid idiot gameplay and give your losing reason because of my distraction. Now focus on your game. Enemy come. Don't need a word for reply on this. I will reply you by my gameplay. See, you carry come close to a zombie, he going to kill you. Don't fear, single zombie can't kill Wally. They have to send 1,000 zombies together to get the chance of killing me. He is showing his back because of fear. Hey, you throwing acid, this is cheating. Why are you coming one by one? Be united and come together to kill me. Killing one by one enemy is very irritating and boring. I'm unable to give damage when I am standing very close to you. Wally, you are fearing from them. They are all coming together. Now what you will do? Very easy answer. I will kill them together. In last, I will kill this old man who throwing his urine like acid. And easily he died. We cleared the stage and we are going to next stage. I think video is very going boring. What to do to make this excited? Don't think to die to make this interesting. I am not going to edit third part if you die intentionally. I am teasing you, don't fear, I'm not going to die. If I try to die also, then also they can't kill me. That much higher my gameplay level is. Again they are coming one by one. How many times I have to tell you, come together, be united. You are never going to kill Wally like this. Don't have brain, use your brain. Bring old man, he will throw his urine acid. No, yes. Now gameplay will become little excited. Because of acid I can't grow fun. Because of my aura they can't come closer to me. So how you going to kill old acid man? I am going to stay here, invite them here, kill them by my autumn mixture aura. See, they can't even come close to me because my aura is so powerful. But old acid man is still alive. You're not able to trap him in your useless trap. When you try to go front, he will going to kill you very easily. See? Your useless aura is not working on him. It works. See, I killed the cleaning toilet zombie. He is so powerful that the zombie fly from there and fall close to me. Hey all stupid zombie, I am challenging to you. Come together and kill me. I am standing in open. I will pick this open gun and kill you. Oh, the level is clear. I am stupid. Why I am saying continuously come zombie? The level is clear and I have to go to in the second level to kill the zombie. Here we go, second last stage begin and all zombie are in front of us. We kill. Oh no, we can't use shotgun. If we use shotgun, yellow will blush and we will die also. We have to use long range gun and kill this all in long range. Oh, why are you coming front? Yellow guys, stay far away. Don't come in front of me. Oh no, our HP minus. We have to be very careful. All zombie come fast and come here to die. The video is already so long, so come very fastly. Yeah, this, but why are you coming one by one? Come together. Hey, why are you throwing your acid? Because of your acid I can die. First I will kill you old man, then I will kill all zombie. Why are you hiding? Are you scared of me? Oh, they are coming in my back also. I have to use my shotgun fastly because there are so many zombies. Come fast, my ammo is very less. Why I am wasting my ammo? I have to use my gun, but I can't change my gun. The game is not working. I have to do fast and they have come very close to me. Oh, they spawn in front of me and finally the gun changed and yellow jacket also also respawn and he give a very bad damage to her. However, we are safe and clear this level, but very hardly. No, they again respawn, and again that old acid man also respawn. We have to kill that old acid man with a shotgun first, and then we'll kill this all weak zombie. Please, yellow jacket not respond. He will respond and kill us. Yeah, and why I am using again shotgun for this weak zombie? I have to change my gun. So again, so finally this level is open. No, this level is not going to end. Again the zombie respawn, but this time not yellow jacket and old acid man respawn. No, yellow acid man respawn and he's throwing acid, and we have to kill them by my shotgun because shotgun ammo is very less. We have to use very carefully. But finally this level is end, and thank God I don't die in this level because this level is very hesitating. Take a deep breath. And then we will go to second level because I talk so much in this level. I am out of oxygen. Finally we get into the final level, and we will use shotgun for old man. We will use long range gun to kill all this weak zombie. I give old man. I am very bored and this video is so long already. I come faster together. Be united. don't want to use my any gun. I will kill you from here standing. You give me AKM, but I will not using it. I will use this two gun and kill you all. Are not coming front, so we are going to front of them. Oh, yellow jacket joined the battle. We will use shotgun and give him a headshot so that he can't blast in front of us. Yeah, pick up AKM or not? Pick up AKM or not? Leave it. We are going into second stage. They are not coming, so we have to go. I will stand there. They have to come, and they are coming. I know this trick. They have to come, but yellow. Oh, old man is come, and we easily kill him with your long range gun. Again old man come, and he will throw his you stupid acid. We have to use our shotgun to kill him, and yeah, we killed by it. Let's take AKM. AKM has a very good capacity to kill long range enemy, and we easily kill old man and yellow jacket with AKM. So this level is going to be very easily, and we will use shotgun for weak and all zombie because we throw that stupid gun and come fastly, but we have to change gun. Let's use infinity gun. No time for shock. We have to change the gun because they are coming in group, and yellow jacket also coming, and he will explode in front of us, and he explode in front of our HP only 6% left. 60% left, sorry. Please don't come closer to me. And again yellow jacket coming. We killed him by a headshot. Hey Volty, play faster, talk less. I am very angry because of your stupid gameplay. Can respawn, but we can't kill them because shotgun range is very small. They please don't come closer. And why are you throwing acid? This is cheating. We are not throwing any acid or bomb. So why are you throwing acid? This is called cheating. Please fight fairly. If you kill me, I have to start from the beginning. Don't want to do that. Big heart and die. You will again respawn in second level. So kindness is the key of success. So be kind and die for these little children. Fingers are shaking. I don't have energy to change the gun to AKM also. And we are clear this level finally. Thank you to all. Thank you, Wally, to myself. Finally I clear this level. Thank to me. I clear level for you. You not clear level for me. You clear level for your YouTube video. So why I will thank you? You have to tell me thank because I have to edit this whole video. Do you know how much long this video is? 9 minutes long. Okay, it's equal. You have to say thank you. I have to say thank you. Thank you minus. Shut your stupid crap and do your outro and end this video. This video automates your gameplay ends now. If your ear, eyes, heart, any organ of your body like my video or my gameplay, so please comment and subscribe. I am 100% sure that this video will got 0 views. Anyways, thank you. Arigato.